Want to earn $100 daily online with no investment? Is it really possible? I hear your skepticism, but let me assure you, the digital landscape is teeming with opportunities. With the right strategies, online platforms can be your goldmine, providing you a steady income without the need for an initial capital. You'll be surprised how simplicity can be lucrative in the world of online earning. So, buckle up and get ready for a rewarding journey. Stay tuned to learn the simple steps to earn $100 daily online. Before we dive in, grasp the basics of earning online. The internet is a vast marketplace, bustling with opportunities. It's a place where talent meets demand and compensation meets effort. And the best part? You can start with zero investment. Imagine platforms like freelancing sites. They are like virtual job fairs. You showcase your skills, whether it's writing, graphic designing, coding, or even data entry. Clients from around the world can hire you for their projects. Then there's blogging. If you have a knack for writing and a topic you're passionate about, start a blog. Through ad revenues and sponsored content, your words could earn you a pretty penny. Don't forget about online surveys. Companies need consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for it. All it takes is a few minutes to answer some questions. Lastly, consider online tutoring or teaching a language. If you're an expert in a subject or bilingual, this could be your goldmine. These platforms are just the tip of the iceberg. The key thing to remember here is that you don't need to invest a single dime to start earning. All you need is a skill, some dedication, and a dash of patience. Now that you have a basic understanding, it's time to learn the process. Here's the step-by-step process to start earning $100 daily online. Firstly, your journey begins by signing up on platforms that connect freelancers with prospective clients. There are numerous sites available, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, among others. Signing up is usually free and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic personal information and set up a secure password. Next, you need to choose the right field based on your skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a marketer, or a programmer, there's a job out there for you. It's crucial to select a field that matches your skills and interests to ensure that you can deliver high-quality work consistently. Once you've chosen your field, it's time to create a strong profile. Your profile is your personal brand, your storefront. It needs to showcase your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. A well-crafted profile can be the difference between landing a job and being overlooked. So, take your time to fill in every detail meticulously, and don't forget to include a professional-looking profile picture. Now, with your profile set up and ready to go, it's time to start bidding for jobs. Look for projects that match your skills and submit compelling proposals to convince clients that you're the right person for the job. The key to success on these platforms is delivering quality work. It's not just about getting the job done, but exceeding client expectations. Remember, satisfied clients often leave positive reviews, and these reviews play a crucial role in helping you land more jobs in the future. Finally, be consistent. Earning a steady income online requires dedication and hard work. You need to be proactive in seeking out new jobs and delivering on time and to the best of your ability. Follow these steps and you are on your way to earn $100 daily online. Want some insider tips and tricks to boost your earnings? Here we go. First off, concentrate on your niche. Find out what you're good at and stick with it. Consistency is key. If you're writing, write. If you're designing, design. Do what you do best and do it well. Next, make sure to maintain consistency in your work. This isn't a one-time gig. You need to keep delivering quality work to keep those online dollars rolling in. Don't let your standards slip. Another crucial tip is to ensure customer satisfaction. A happy customer will come back for more, and they might even recommend you to others. So go that extra mile. Deliver a little more than what's expected. Surprise them with your dedication and professionalism. And don't forget about self-improvement. Always be on the lookout for new skills and knowledge that can give you an edge. The online world is constantly evolving, so should you. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Set a fair price for your work and stick to it. You're offering a service and it is valuable. Remember these tips and tricks to maximize your online earnings. Earning $100 daily online is not a dream anymore. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and remember the key points we've discussed. We've broken down the basics, walked through the step-by-step process, and shared some handy tips and tricks. All this to show you that earning online without any investment is not just a pipe dream, but a realistic and attainable goal. So what are you waiting for? Start today and make your dream of earning $100 daily online a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Leadway Media for more informative videos like this.